First at 9 tonight, a Flagstaff area homeowner has been getting the brunt of the monsoon flooding up north.
It's been terrible. He has tried to get his insurance to pay for the damage. So far, nothing. Fox 10's Marissa Sarbak is investigating what happened and why the insurance company is refusing to pay.
Well, guys, his property has flooded 6 times, and each time it happens, it just continues to make it worse and cause more damage on the house. Now, all of this is a result of the wildfire that left the burn scar there on the mountain. But get this, he reached out to his local insurance agent. Now, that agent actually told him that he is ineligible for flood insurance, and none of this is covered under fire insurance.
I was here 12 years ago, and I knew that it was going to happen again because the mountain burned, flooded. So I called my State Farm rep and said, hey, I'm going to need flood insurance. And they were like, you're not in a flood zone. And I said, I know, but I'm going to need it. We had the fire, blah, blah, blah. He said, okay, we'll get back to you. Well, a week went by and they didn't get back to me.
That weekend was the first of many this monsoon season, leaving homes flooded and destroyed.
That following Monday, I called and said, hey, you remember I said I was going to need flood insurance? And they're like, yeah, well, my house flooded. It would have been helpful.
Wilson says he went through his Arizona-based State Farm rep, Justin Simons. The homeowner asked the local insurance agent if State Farm could backdate flood insurance, since he has the call logs proving he asked for flood insurance 2 weeks before this monsoon season turned into a nightmare.
I had looked up some Arizona laws saying that there were cases where a flood was caused by a fire, a very similar situation, and under Arizona then they had the insurance company that was involved in that case pay for it. So in my claim, I sent him that information. I sent him verification that this was caused by the fire up there.
Chase says the office told him his example was, quote, irrelevant. We called Justin Simon's State Farm office in Arizona. They said they'd get back to our request for information on the case. They did not. We reached out to the National State Farm office with Chase's claim number and information. This was their response. Quote, we can't speak to the specifics of any claim due to our customer privacy policy. As an organization, we take pride in our customer service and are committed to paying what we owe promptly, courteously, and efficiently. Each claim is unique and handled based on its own individual merits and the facts of the loss. And yet Chase says to date he has yet to receive a dime from his insurance company for all of this. However, his family and friends have come together. They started up a GoFundMe account to help him, his pregnant wife, and his 2 young children as they go through all of this. Reporting for Fox 10 News, I'm Marissa Sarbak.